Understanding Kick the Bucket, a deep dive into idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a popular English idiom, kick the bucket. This phrase might sound humorous or confusing at first, but it's a common part of English expressions. Let's dive into its origins, meaning, and how to use it in everyday conversation. Kick the bucket is an idiom that means to die. While this might seem like a morbid topic, idioms like this one are used to talk about death in a less direct or slightly lighter way. It's important to note that, despite its casual tone, this phrase should be used with sensitivity and awareness of the context. The exact origin of kick the bucket is somewhat unclear, but there are a few theories. One popular theory suggests that it comes from the way animals were slaughtered in the past, involving a bucket. Another theory links it to a wooden beam, known as a bucket, used in medieval times. No matter its origin, this phrase has been part of English vernacular for centuries. Using kick the bucket appropriately requires understanding its informal and somewhat humorous connotation. It's typically used among friends or in light-hearted contexts. Here are a few examples. I hope I don't kick the bucket before I get to travel the world. He's so healthy, he won't kick the bucket for a long time. Remember, due to its topic, it's crucial to be sensitive to the situation and the people you're speaking with when using this idiom. English is rich with idioms that convey the concept of death in indirect ways. Other expressions similar to kick the bucket include bite the dust, pass away, meet one's maker. Each of these idioms has its own nuance and appropriate context of use. We hope this exploration of kick the bucket has shed light on not just the meaning of the phrase but also the cultural and linguistic intricacies of English idioms. Idioms like this one add color and depth to the language, allowing speakers to express complex ideas in a few words. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language in our next video. Stay curious, and happy learning!